Designed to take you from beginner to expert, the Envision One CDLM is the only professional 3D printer you'll ever need. EnvisionTEC has partnered with DentalCAD software developer Exocad to develop a seamless workflow between Exocad's DentalCAD software and EnvisionTEC's Envision One RP software using an open XML-based interface. The Exoprint tool streamlines your digital workflow by eliminating half of the required steps. Now you can simply select your material, scan, design, and then launch the E1 RP software directly within Exocad to start 3D printing. With this integration, the most innovative and accurate desktop 3D printer is now faster and easier to use. The Envision One CDLM, the all-in-one solution for same-day digital dentistry.